Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G22 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. First of all, we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are right now inactive. It is because we are using network provided time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of, or actually all of those options to activate the date. And as you can see, after tapping, we can pick the date from this calendar, just tap on it and confirm it. As you can see, it will be applied immediately. And the same situation with the time. From this clock, we can pick the time. It will be also immediately applied to the status bar. Let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available ones. You can type it here or simply scroll and find it, and after finding, just tap on it. So for example, this one, it will be also immediately applied. However, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we can also decide what kind of clock format we want to use. So currently we are using 24-hour format. We can use 12-hour one just by turning off this option, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course, we can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here and simply deciding which format we want to use. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your Nokia G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.